Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we harvested some carrots, and we were very successful and had a good harvest of those. In this video, we're going to go ahead and harvest some very sad-looking cabbages. We need the space for planting. So in the Tramal raised bed here, we have five cabbages, and they're looking well. They're growing okay. They're not in anywhere, shape, or form ready to be forming a head, but these are looking good, so we're not going to touch them. In one side of the U-shaped bed, we have three cabbages. One is very big as far as leaf wise, and all three are doing well, so we're not going to remove these. And one looks like it's trying to form a head, so we won't be removing these. Okay, these are the sad looking cabbages that I was referring to. I've been waiting for them to form a head, and they're not forming a head. As a matter of fact, the leaves are actually seem to be falling down on the red cabbages. Maybe they weren't supposed to form a head, and I was supposed to harvest them at their peak. If that's the case, then I made a mistake. But what I am going to do is go ahead and harvest the leaves and use them, cut them up and use them as I would any other cabbage, and then remove the stalks from the bed. See, that's one. And we'll take the top of that one and mix two and cut the stalk off down at the bottom. We'll take the top of this one and cut the bottom off. And then the leftovers that I have here, I'm going to cut up and put in the compost bin. Now, we're going to do the same thing with the red cabbage. We're going to cut the nice looking top out of it. And the bottoms, we're going to go ahead and cut and place in the compost bin. We'll put that one there, put that one there, put that one there, and the rest of these can go here. So this particular cabbage, we're going to do just like we did those in the other bed. We're going to cut it off at the bottom, at the soil line. Then the leaves that look pretty good on this, we're going to go ahead and keep, and the rest we'll put in the compost bin. Okay, we'll keep these, and the rest go in the compost bin. So overall, this is our cabbage that we got. This one from the other bed, the purple ones or red cabbage from this bed, and 3 more small cabbages. Overall, they can be used, and which is what we're going to do. And while I'm not completely satisfied, I'm happy with what we got. So thank you for coming along while we did this. As I said at the beginning, we needed the space to plant more plants in the upcoming videos. So I'm going to go through, remove a lot of the pine needles and stuff that are here, and amend the bed somewhat, and then we'll plant in here, and we'll do the same thing for the bed across the way. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment. I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Lastly, and most importantly, let's all remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.